Shifting our focus to some breaking news coming in at this point in time as far as the SYL Canal dispute in the top court is concerned. The Haryana versus Punjab over the Sutlej-Yamuna Canal episode now pans out in the top court, where the top court expresses concern. The top court maintains that why is there a delay of 21 years is what the top court asks. The Supreme Court also goes on to stress on the fact that the centre must intervene to ensure that there is some sense of a solution to the SYL Canal dispute. The top court also pulls up Punjab and questions for not completing work on its side. Well, that is the big breaking news that we're getting you at this point in time. My colleague Harish is joining me right now to get us more details. Well, Harish, take us through the observations that has been made by the Supreme Court and how they have sought the government's intervention in the centre to ensure that this matter pertaining to the SYL Canal over 21 years can finally come to some sense of a solution.
Yes, in fact, the bench led by Justice Sanjay Kishan Kaul has taken very strong note of the failure of the Punjab, Haryana and also centre to implement its 21-year-old decree to construct Sutlej-Yamuna Link Canal and sought active intervention by the centre. One has to accept the Maryada of Supreme Court. This is what the Justice Sanjay Kishan Kaul said during the hearing. Remember, the court had in 2002 ordered construction of a Sutlej-Yamuna Link Canal to link the waters of Sutlej River with Yamuna River for transfer of water to Haryana, especially southern part of the state. The court noted that Haryana had completed work on its side, but Punjab has not completed the work. Supreme Court bench came down heavily on Punjab for not completing its side of the canal. This is called said this kind of a matter has perhaps has political ramifications. Something will have to be done. The decree stands. It has to be constructed and execution has to take place at any cost. This is the serious observation made by the Supreme Court, and also said that we are concerned with the execution of the decree for construction of the canal, and said that centre has three jobs. One, survey as to extent of work taken place in Punjab. Number two, check water level and need for each state, allegation of less water, etc. Then mediation efforts have to be initiated by the centre between Haryana and Punjab for a peaceful negotiation and the settlement of the issue, because decree is 21-year-old and has to be implemented at any cost. This is what the Supreme Court has said.
Absolutely, Harish. Thank you for getting us all those details. I'm also joined by my colleague Gurpreet to get us more details. Well, Gurpreet, it appears that there seems to be some sort of solution at sight if the government makes an intervention. What does the state government have to say over the top court's order urging upon the central government to bring about a relief, an end to the 21-year dispute of the SYL Canal?
Well, we have seen since this matter has already reached the apex court, multiple meetings were being held between Punjab and Haryana Chief Minister. Whether it's the former Chief Minister of Punjab from Congress, Captain Amrinder Singh at that time, the meeting were held with the Haryana Chief Minister, and after that we have seen even the new Chief Minister Bhagwant Singh Mann. He has also held multiple meetings with the Chief Minister of Haryana, and recently has been visited in Amritsar, where this meeting was held to discuss about all the prominent issue which had come up in that meeting also. If we can talk about the political we have seen, Punjab Chief Minister has already made it very clear we don't have water to share with Haryana, and that's why we are not going to construct this canal. But today we have seen the Supreme Court, the apex court has
Okay, that was my colleague trying to tell us about what is going to be the stand of the state government. Well, the top court's order has just come in. Both the states, Haryana and Punjab, are going to re-strategize and recalibrate their stand on the SYL Canal, even as the top court has urged upon the central government to make an intervention and ensure that there is a solution to the 21-year-old dispute of the SYL Canal.